Ganyan din open camera mo na.
Ayun o. Ito yung team. Uy. Regular cyber. Ito na o. May panglasa ka na. Happy birthday.
Ah, panlasa. Paunti-unti ang labas eh.
Pagka rin pa naman natakbo na yung yung oras. Vlog ba yan? Vlog?
Saan ka?
Ha?
Saan ka?
Ito.
Saan lipad mo?
Bangkok.
Bangkok.
This is our second professional shoot. Stay tuned!
Yeah. This Nadal Sheba, 2320 B Street, huh?
Yes, sir.
No problem. I can tag my wife, it is okay?
Yeah, fine.
No
Sure?
problem.
No problem?
We're gonna talk to if it's fine for you.
No, no problem, just put in the answer.
Mabait siya. Hello, so ito yung mga kasama ko. Ang Team Saiba tuloy. Team Saiba. Naisip ko to, Team Saiba. Ito si Saiba. Mr. Encel. Mindset. At si...
Panlasa boy.
At si Boy na victim na walang panlasa.
Taste mo.
Si Mr. Taste Buds.
Boy, thanks.
Boy Taste Buds.
Dalawang linggo na ako ng palasa. Negative naman. May sipon daw kasi.
So, napunta pa lang kami. May gagawin ako. Since may mga gamit akong FUJIFILM, gagamitin ko yung X100 ko sa isang shoot. Lapit ko sa mga ano. So, isa rin, wala kami isang kasama, no?
Jan. Shout out, Jan!
Jan.
Umabsent ka kasi. Umabsent ka na. Sanay ka naman eh.
Kami yung grupong BI. Nag-BI pa kami.
Boy, taste bad. Start na dyan. Tasteless.
TV.
Yan, nalilista kita. May palasa na ako. Wala ka pa.
Yo, what's up mga liga?
Grabe mo vlog. So we're here now and I'm gonna use my Fuji X100 in this kind of situation. Let's see how it goes.
This is all our equipment as you can see. Yeah, this is our robotic.
Oh, mukhang hayo. Ay, yung ikakarga, Brad, siya. Yung ikakarga.
Tulungan natin yung si Boss.
So here now we have scout out the place. They are fixing the video camera for the live feed. Not live feed, I mean what do you call this? The camera I'm gonna use. I'm gonna take videos. I'm gonna do the photos. I'm gonna use my FUJIFILM X100. This one right here. Let's see how it does in the events. So I am told to do most of my shots are gonna be on JPEG. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, game, where are you?
Tayo pa, game na.
Game na.
Yo, what's up? Anong tag mo sa mga fans mo?
Wala lang.
What's up mga ka-ramjoseph dyan, mga dude? Kung kailangan nyo ng photographer, videographer sa mga ganitong klase ng event, pakita mo. So, contact, makikita nyo dito, contact us, now na!
Kausapin mo.
Smile! Okay guys, this is my ride.
Hindi pa nag-uumpisa. Medyo tambay pa. Video mo rin yung mga ibang hayop ha. Video crew. Ayun o, umawa ka naman. Pogi. Parang my arm. Huh?
Don't approach to this one. Don't approach.
Look at you. But I was able to take some shots from the Fuji X100. It's good, but when it comes to low light, turns out to be a drag. Turns out you can actually take good shots with it on daylight, but when it comes to nighttime, kind of a struggle. Hello! So, kumakain kami ngayon. Nasayo na sila. So, na-experience na nila ang kanilang
Yan, kumita ng pera.
ito ba yung high level racket nyo?
Hindi man sila ako batas.
One. Single. Single.
Double. Yung tapos na yung may patapit na ganyan sa bigal.
Ito na. Someone is coming.
Payaman!
Okay, we are done. Pakilala ko sa inyo yung Juby's crew. Ano yan? Saiba. At ang iyong birthday boy. EJ. Honestly, mga pagod na yan. Mga pagod na yan. Pagod na yan ha.
Grabe.
Brad, hindi ako napagod. Hindi ako napagod.
Ba, tayo ba, bayad ka na.
Recorded na ngayon.
1,000. Recorded na, 1,000 binigay. Magkano binigay mo? Oo, bayad ka pala eh. Bayad na.
Wala ka ng takas ngayon.
Joel, thank you for your valuable support.
Valuable eh. With a B.
So dito may sarili na tayong kotse.
Oo, aywa, si EJ yan. Hindi na natuloy.
Hindi, pinapalipas mo lang ang bawat sandali.
Kanta na ba yun? So there you have it. So I took my Fuji X100 and took it for a spin for an event, and it was actually a great camera. Still takes good pictures and was able to perform nicely, except when it comes to low light, focusing was a problem. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. So I'm with my crew, the Jubis crew, and I'll leave the description down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and give us a thumbs up on the video.